If you've struggled making money in crypto, this might be the most important video that you watch today. If you're ready to finally make it happen for you, if you're ready to learn how the professionals do it, how we do it at the Crypto Code, how you can buy on red and sell on green and actually take profits in crypto, stay tuned, watch this entire video.
Before we jump into today's topic, we want to remind you that here at the Crypto Code, our goal is to provide you with the top news, research, and tips when it comes to finding projects with huge profit potential. We have a proven track record with our 90% win rate on our crypto calls. Stay to the end of this video and learn how you can earn $10 in Bitcoin just for attending one of our free workshops to learn more about who we are and what we do. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, so do your own research before you make any crypto trades.
Hey everybody, it's Joel Peterson, and this may be the most important video that you ever watch in YouTube about crypto. I'm going to teach you how to profit in crypto, how the professionals do it, and you can do this even if you're brand new, you've never done anything about in crypto. I'm going to teach you something about buying and selling. I'm going to teach you something called support and resistance, but not just that, structural support and structural resistance. I'm going to teach you when to buy and when to sell, and I'm going to dispel a lot of the myths in crypto. What you're looking at here is a chart that is what I consider the ultimate buy-sell chart and indicator. This is a chart that I've used for many years. My students use this to make profits all the time in crypto, day in and day out, whether the price is going up or down. And if that's you, if you want to learn how to make money in crypto, whether the price is going up or down, if you struggle with knowing when to buy or sell, watch this whole video. Again, my name is Joel Peterson. I'm the founder of the Crypto Code. We have been in crypto since 2013. We've taught thousands of people all over the world how to profit in crypto, whether you're manually trading or using automated strategies, which we also teach. So let's back up here a little bit and talk about structural support and resistance. Now, some of you may have heard in crypto before that you need to know what support and resistance is. Well, what does that really mean? People will draw lines on charts and put horizontal lines and say, this is resistance and this is support. And you look at these lines and you go, okay, that's great, but what does it really mean? But what they don't tell you and what they actually don't know is there's a difference between support levels, and resistance levels. Okay, and structural resistance and structural support. And what that means is where price is going to come down to. Now, listen closely. What you're looking at is a price chart of Bitcoin with a very special indicator that we use that shows the structural support and resistance levels. I'm going to teach you something so simple in crypto. In crypto, money moves from impatient hands to patient hands. You want to be the patient person. In this style of trading that I'm going to teach you today, you're going to be the patient person, and you're going to probably do a handful of trades each year, and you can make some pretty massive profits if you want to be the patient person. If you want to be the patient person, you might as well just throw your money away. But if you want to be the patient person and you want to what we call buy on red, sell on green, you actually want to buy when it's low, sell when it's high, and I'll show you actually really how to do that with this indicator and chart that you're looking at here. Here's an example. All right, so support and resistance. Support is the level that crypto comes down to, the price comes down to. Price is always moving in a wave. You see this? See these waves? Price is always going up and down in waves, up and down in waves. Now, this is a monthly chart with a 4-hour signal. This is the golden chart right here. I'll come back to this in a minute, but notice how crypto moves in waves. Now I'm going to go down to a weekly chart with 1-hour time frame. So as you notice, price is also moving in a wave here as well. The price of crypto is going up and down and 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 up and down. You see that? This is a wave pattern, and it has bigger waves in it here. You see these green and these red, those are bigger waves. Prices going up or down, up and down. At the end of the day, if you want to make money in crypto, guess what you do? You just suck money out of the waves. That's it. You just suck money out of the waves. You buy when it's red and you sell when it's green. And we just take these percentages of profits, 2 to 3% profits, multiple times. But if you want to do longer term, if you want to go for the gusto and do that handful of trades, listen up. What I would do is I would load up my chart here and look at these support and resistance lines. Now, resistance is the upper level. See those red lines on the chart? This is where price is trying to break up against. But this isn't just regular support and resistance. This is historical resistance at the top. That means because Bitcoin has been around for a long time, we have some very historical, very hard to get above resistance levels. And see how I've got multiple lines of resistance. These are all strong resistance lines. But notice that gap right there. So we come up to the top and we get a sell signal and we break back down. When we break down one level, we're going to go to another level. When we break that down, see how this is a lot bigger of a level? We break down there. Same thing in reverse. This is called support. The green levels down below, where price comes down to, this is called support. So resistance, again, is like you're pushing up against the ceiling. You're trying to break up against the ceiling, and it's really hard. But eventually, sometimes you break across the ceiling and you shoot up. Same thing with support is you come down to a support level here, you get a sell signal, and you come down and you're just like, you're fighting. You've got a firm foundation. But the thing is, what most people understand is support levels here are structurally very strong at these levels. When you see these lines close together, these are very, very structural support lines that are hard to break down, and also, again, if they're resistance, they're hard to get across. But when you have these larger gaps in here, these are called fresh air gaps. And that's why when you see the buy signal here and you see price quickly moved up here, see this here? Boom, that's 6%. Boom, another 6%. Hey, I wanted to break into the video for a second to tell something that's really important. So when you get these buy signals, it looks great on the chart, right? But let me tell you what happens. When these buy signals come, the price is going down, it's tanking, it's red. Guess what your emotions are telling you to do? Your emotions are telling you to do the opposite. Your emotions are telling you to sell. And that's what novices do. That's what beginners do. That's what people who don't know anything about crypto do. And you want to do the opposite. So when you see these buy signals, yeah, it looks great. It's nice green. But what you do during that time, your emotions are getting you and your price is going down and you're like scared and you don't want to buy. And guess what? That's when you buy. So you want to buy when it's uncomfortable and you want to sell when you don't want to. Don't worry, when you do this, you'll understand, because price will be just dumping and dumping, like right here. Price is dumping and dumping and dumping, and people will want to sell. And what happens is you're being manipulated. You don't realize that you need to buy when it's red, but you don't just buy when the price starts going down. You want to wait for those structural support levels. You want to wait till your indicators start telling you to buy at these strong structural levels. That's when you buy. You'll feel uncomfortable, but you need to start buying, but not at any old level. You want to wait for those structural. And the same thing about selling. Okay, you want to buy when it's uncomfortable, sell when you don't want to. Price is going up, you're excited, you're going great, and you got a lot of profit and you think it's going to keep going up forever, and then price gets smacked down. Just like right here. You bought, woohoo, then price round tripped, you lost all the freaking stinking profits. That sucks. Don't do that. Train your brain to do the opposite. Buy on red. Buy when you don't want to. Buy when the price is crashing. Buy when the signals come up there. Buy when the structural support levels show up. Sell when the sell signals start coming. When you start coming up to that upper resistance, you will make a lot of money that way. Okay, back to the video. And it did this very quickly. Boom. And then that was at 9%. And boom, these big fresh air gaps, price can move up very fast. And this is a very significant one right here. Boom, boom, boom. It just blew up past that. So just by looking at here and following this buy signal at this very structural level, and this was about price when price was about 30, we were about 38,000, and people were wondering, should I buy Bitcoin right now? Heck yeah, you should have been buying Bitcoin, and boom, you could have taken that up to about a 93% in about a 3-month period by just looking at the major structural support areas and the major resistance and following your sell signals. And even if you would just have sold at these sell signals right here, you would have taken a trade on about the 24th of January and would have sold when you first started to get your sell signals. That's a 63%. And yes, this chart works on any crypto. And so again, you could have also shorted the markets as well. You could just start shorting here, could have started shorting here, and then we've come down 23% from here. And then what do? We get a buy signal. So you always have to think in 3D here. Price is always moving up in a wave. It's going up, it's going down, it's going sideways. And you always have to have your plan of when it goes both ways. And so we like to play the market in both directions. We're buying on red when price goes down, and we're selling on green. We're doing the opposite. What is everyone else doing when crypto is pumping? Guess what they're doing? They're selling. I mean, they're buying. They're buying. They get excited. They're FOMOing in. And what are you doing? You already bought when it's low. You're taking profits on the way up. You buy when it's red. You sell when it's green. When you get to these major resistance levels, that's when you start taking profits off the table. Take profits off the table, you go up more, take profits off the table here, and then if you want to do some shorting, you can start doing some shorting as well. Same thing, great area to buy right in here, great area to sell. We keep testing this upper level of resistance. It's a really strong level. You know the levels because it's right there on the chart. You can see them. What are we doing right now? Okay, so right here we got to 49,000. We wicked down there. We quickly went back up. Nice little profit, about 30%. Then we quickly dumped back down again. Didn't get a sell signal there. You're not always going to get a sell signal, but we got another buy signal. This is a strong area of support right here. You can see building. And what the heck? We're printing a sell signal right now. Now, this will always tell you, there goes our indicator. That's my bot buying and selling right now. This indicator is not going to tell you exactly where price is going to go, but you're going to look at this and say, hey, I'm in an area of strong structural resistance right now. What should I do here? Okay. Do I buy when I'm at structural resistance? Heck no. No. Okay. You want to wait. You want to buy when you get buy signals. The time for buying was already here at about September 8th. All right. Yeah. You can play the game and wait for the trend to come up. That's not what I do. That's not how I make my money in crypto. I wait. I'm patient. I'm the patient one. I promise these buy signals will come along again, and you get these buy signals. I'm actually taking profits and selling and take profits on the way up from here. Am I selling it all? No, not necessarily. Price will always move up in waves. When we come up here, we come up here, and we most likely will probably trend back up. But these sell signals are pretty strong, and if you go against these trends, if you go against these sell signals, but you're going to learn really, really fast that you're going to lose money in crypto. That's the bottom line. These signals are there for a reason. Okay? You buy on red when price goes down. Candles are going down. Buy on red. Buy on red. You get that signal. Sell on green as price is going up. Sell on green as price is going up. And you can also automate a lot of this as well. Now, for you short-term traders, and I'll put this on a few other charts as well. This is a weekly structural resistance and support area, and that's important to understand. Structural is very different than just regular support and resistance. Structural 1 hour, I love the 1 hour. I love the weekly chart with a 1 hour signal. This has made us so many profits in crypto. But I'll just give you an example how to play this. I mean, gosh, guys, we got the sell signal right there at the 64,842, and we're starting to trend down. We're starting to trend change down. You see that gray? Hey, we're going down. Don't fight against the trend. We're going down. We're going down. And our potential target here is about another 1%. And this is going to change from gray, and most likely, it will churn to a lighter red and then probably turn to a solid red. And it's just going to continue again. We're going to just go up and down and up and down and up and down. And if you can just suck the profits out of the waves, it's one of the best ways to make money in crypto. I don't care what the price is. Price doesn't matter. Percentages do. And once you can learn that in crypto, you can make a lot of money. Whether you're a longer term swing trader where you're going to take, a handful of trades every year, or if you want to do more swing trading where you're buying and selling on a regular basis. And we do a lot of automation here in our program with this. But the important thing to understand is the structural levels, Now, I'll give you an example here, looking at the structural level. Here we are, we're testing up about that 65,000. If we bust about that, boom, we're going to quickly shoot up to 67,000. If we bust about that, quickly up to 68,000. Bust about that, quickly up to 69,000. And then we're going to go up here. And if it's when you break above one level, when you close candles above that, you're going to shoot up a bit. It doesn't go up in a straight line. It's going to wave up there. But you have to understand this. So this is what we're fighting up against right now. We've been rejected right there. Price is going to wave up again. And we could go up and we could go down. Or we could go sideways. Three-dimensional thinking, everybody. Change the way you think. You buy when it's red. What do? Sell when it's green. You use your indicators. You go with your buy and sell signals. And what do you want to do? You want to be patient. Patient. Money moves from what? Money moves from impatient hands, people that panic and sell, to patient hands. You need to be the patient hands person. If you want to learn more about this, you can register for a workshop. Links in the description below. Register for a workshop. We'll teach you more about this, how we make money in crypto. We'll even send you $10 in Bitcoin just for attending and taking a short quiz at the end. This is Joel Peterson with the Crypto Code. If you like what you saw here today, if you want more content like this, make sure you subscribe to our videos and turn on notifications so you can get our daily alerts. We post lots of content about crypto. Myself, Adam, the team, we're constantly posting videos every day. We're the good guys. We're going to teach you how to really make money in crypto. And we're not going to BS you. We're not going to tell you a bunch of hype. We're not going to try a bunch of hype coins to you. We're just going to tell you like it is. The way you make money in crypto is buying on red, selling on green. And if you want to short the markets, you can learn that too. Again, this is Joel with the Crypto Code. I'll end it here. As always, take massive action in your life. Anything you do, we'll see you on another video. Bye, guys.
Thanks for watching the Crypto Code. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto insights. Let me know your thoughts on today's video in the comments below. You can also check out what we do here at the Crypto Code by registering for one of our free workshops where we show you how we and our students profit in crypto, no matter if the markets are up or down. Attend our free workshop, take a short quiz at the end, and we will send you $10 in Bitcoin. No purchase needed. We've already given away hundreds of thousands of dollars worth of Bitcoin just this year alone. Just look for the link in the description of this video to register for the workshop. It will be worth your time. Our public trade record currently has a 90% win rate, and you can view it here. Best of luck with your investments, and remember to stay informed and stay safe in the crypto world. See you next time.